Good morning.
Well, today we're going to show you how we work around the house. I mean, we've been doing that for the last 3 months, so let's just go ahead and show them what we do during the day. Why we've been showing nothing but work.
Because that's all we've been doing.
That's
all he's been doing.
Yeah.
I've been doing fun stuff like taxes and paperwork, and he's been doing manual labor.
So we'll just take you around today and show you what we do.
Actually, for the first time since we've been here,
Yeah, really.
we're going to go explore a little.
We are going to go out and check out the Missouri Falls, which is about 6 miles down the road, and then I don't know how far up on the mountain it got to go.
And maybe if we make it out that far, a place called Wolf Pen Gap. We'll see if we make it out there.
Yeah.
We're just going to go see what we can see, though. See some country we haven't seen yet.
Yeah. 3 months and we have not been around. What are you yipping about?
And we're taking that one with us.
This one right here. I'm scared right now.
And she hasn't been in the car much, and she's been prone to getting car sick lately, so we'll see how she does today. We have a towel down just in case.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, and get down.
Marlin wants to go too.
Yeah. And we still haven't had rooster soup yet.
No, you can still hear him in the background.
We have this love-hate relationship, him and I do. I can't do a doggone thing. He's chasing me on foot. He's chasing me on the lawnmower. He's not very smart either.
He got Mom the other day.
Yeah. He spurred her right in the arm right there. And then he spurred me in the right above the ankle. Put a nice hole in my leg.
He leaves me alone, but I usually have the dog with me.
Yeah.
Although if Marley's out there with Bubba, she'll run interference for him.
Yep. Who attacks him, huh? You attack that rooster. I don't care if she has him for lunch.
One of these days.
Way.
One of these days.
Yeah.
All right, shall we hit the road?
I think we should drive down it.
Oh, all right.
All right, we'll see you guys on the road and then up there too.
Yep. Found the parking area. Now we've got just a little bit of a hike, I guess, to get to the falls. It's really pretty back in here. They have a nice picnic area, pit toilets. Not bad.
Not bad, let's go.
And you want to go down the stairs first or to the overlook first?
We'll go to the overlook first.
Overlook first. This has turned out to be a nice hike.
Very pleasant. Pleasant.
It's really pretty out here and it's quiet. There's hardly anybody else out here right now.
We've seen 3 people.
Yeah.
Not like Denver.
And oh my gosh, the air smells like perfume because of just the trees and the flowers and everything. And
That's me.
no. And the best part is what? It's maybe 10, maybe 15 miles from the house.
Yeah.
It's not far from the house, so the parking area for the trailhead and the picnic area is just a day use area, but on the road coming in, there's lots of little pull-offs where you can pull in and camp.
Yeah.
Wouldn't bring too big of a camper out, but more like a van or a tent or that type of thing, but places to camp all around here on the road coming up.
It was a little sketchy with the backpack, but
Yeah, we would have been better in a Jeep.
yeah, Jeep or side by would be great.
But the smart car did make it.
Yeah, I mean, you got a couple rocks sticking out of the ground, maybe 3 or 4 inches. You know, there's a couple spots where you got to straddle the high part, but
Just go slow.
yeah,
It made it just fine.
yeah.
And the roads, it looks like they keep it pretty much groomed. It's not bad.
As much as they can. I mean,
Yeah.
there's some big rocks. Big rocks up here. Not much dirt, a lot of rock.
Yeah. But it's beautiful. We found a cool little campsite here right along the river.
Yeah. Yep. Nice little place to pitch a little 2-man tent.
We were saying we could possibly see hiking out here and maybe camping for a night or two.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see here, it says 2.5 miles in from the trailhead. Pretty out here. Nice little spot with no roots on it. Perfect for a tent, little fire pit, place to sit.
No fish, though, in the river.
No, but it's peaceful.
It is.
Very peaceful.
Mm-hmm. Somebody can't sit still, though. She's running around like spit on a hot frying pan.
There's too many good smells out here for her to explore. She does explore the world with her ears and her nose.
Yeah. Get out of there. No.
Always
Dad,
getting in
somebody
trouble.
left something. Well, we did it.
We're almost back to the parking lot. Lulu, little Miss Lulu, hiked most of the way back off leash. That's her first time we've been brave enough to try that with her, and for the most part she was really good.
Yeah, we had to get a couple of stern times, but she come running.
She wanted to chase a lizard.
Yeah. Only saw 1 lizard going in there while she was on a leash. Coming out, we saw 2 or 3 of them, and she wanted them both, or 3 or whatever, how many we saw. 2, I think. It doesn't matter.
But this was a great hike today. Nice, just a nice change of pace, and oh my gosh, beautiful. I think I've said that, but I'll say it again. It's beautiful.
I burnt off too many calories, so I'm gonna have to go back and have a beer.
Well, or raid his mom's freezer for ice cream.
Ooh, that's right. She did get ice cream for me.
She did. She has root beer too. She might make us a root beer float.
Oh, we're coming to see you, Ma.
But yeah, this was great. If any of you ever make it into the area, this is a nice little place to come and spend a couple hours.
Do a little hike.
Mm-hmm.
Get out and see nature.
Yep, you can bring lunch.
Yeah.
If it's hot, you can get in the water. Plenty of places to get in the water.
Yep. There's a couple of people downriver. They're in there floating around.
Yeah.
And I mean floating.
So all in all, a good day.
All in all.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's get back so the dog can puke in the car.